In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe payments in Lovable. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project where you want to accept payments. Next, open the chat panel and enter a prompt explaining the payment system you want to create. For example, you can type, "Add Stripe payments to my app" and create a checkout page where users can pay for products or services. After that, click Submit and wait for Lovable to generate the payment setup. Once the process starts, simply follow the instructions that Lovable provides. Depending on your project, Lovable may ask you to connect a Stripe account before it can complete the payment integration. If you already have a Stripe account, follow the connection steps provided by Lovable and authorize the integration. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, open the Stripe website and click the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a password, and fill in the required account information. Once your account is created, follow the Stripe onboarding process and complete the requested business details. After your Stripe account is ready, return to Lovable and continue following the instructions displayed in the chat. Lovable will guide you through connecting Stripe to your project and setting up the required payment components. Now, continue completing any additional steps that Lovable requests. Depending on your application, it may automatically create checkout pages, payment buttons, subscription options, or other payment features. Once everything is connected, test the payment flow to make sure it works correctly. Follow the testing instructions provided by Lovable and verify that users can complete the checkout process successfully. Finally, review the payment experience one last time and make sure everything is functioning as expected. If the test is successful, your Stripe integration is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Stripe payments in Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.